Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. Rather cool, breezy and mixed conditions will stay with us as low pressure will be nearby during this week. For Monday we have brisk westerlies once more, which will be very strong and gusty, particularly across England and Wales, as a small scale frontal system just moves through the middle of the day on Monday. Across Scotland the wind speeds may be a bit more variable, but strong and gusty at times around showers, those most frequent toward the north and the west. Looking at the sequence through the day and just looking at that feature across Wales, showery rain coming in from the Irish Sea in the morning onto western hills will just start to become more organised and cluster together for a few hours from around mid to late morning into the middle of the day, and those heavy bursts just then running eastwards toward the Peak District and southern Pennines through the afternoon, some of those heavy enough for an isolated rumble of thunder, and likewise the chance of isolated thunder and lightning across the Highlands from an odd heavier shower. Many of them won't be heavy enough for that, but that risk is just there. Some more steady rain associated with the front toward the far north. Showers across Wales will tend to break up somewhat more in the afternoon with some brighter skies coming through. Cloud will shroud many of the western hills most of the day, and across much of the Highlands that cloud will cover the tops lowest around northern and western coastal hills. Another day with showers in the forecast on Tuesday, maybe something a bit more organised for a time across the Highlands, drifting from west to east as a small trough just moves through, and again the odd heavy burst could contain a rumble of thunder, particularly by the afternoon in more eastern regions. The northwest Highlands escaping somewhat drier with just a few scattered and lighter showers here, and showers once more for England and Wales, passing from west to east as we go through the daytime. For Wales, the showers may be fairly well scattered with some brighter spells around. Cloud will vary on the hills again, capping the tops for periods, but some brighter spells coming through occasionally. Winds strongest across England, Wales and southernmost parts of the Highlands. Wednesday sees fairly low pressure around again, so another story of showers and some bright spells. Again, the showers where they form could be heavy, with that chance of isolated thunder and lightning. That's at a greatest risk more inland and towards eastern areas by mid to late afternoon. Not too much wind around across the Highlands, but could be quite gusty around some of the western coasts, and breezier again for England and Wales. Temperatures just improving as we go into the later part of the week as the airflow turns to a more humid southwesterly flow. A reasonable day on Thursday, but the risk of some showers being in the forecast once more, and the odd heavy one can't be ruled out. So we just see that breeze strengthening a bit during the daytime, and if this frontal system starts to move in, then some heavier rain may arrive in Scotland later on in the day. Low pressure is nearby later in the week, with the risk of some heavy rain pushing in from the southwest, and that accompanied by strong winds, possibly gales around higher mountains by this stage. Warm and humid, particularly for England and Wales, could be very warm across more southern regions by this time. A rather mixed week overall then. We shall have a look toward the weekend and further ahead in Tuesday's planning outlook. For today, that is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.